Hi all, welcome to my channel from Oshi's Creation. Today I'm gonna share with you all some topic about Lord Ganesh. So, who was the Lord Ganesh? Ganesha is the formless divinity, encapsulated in the magnificent form, for the benefit of the devotee. As per Hindu mythology, he is the son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. What is the meaning of Ganesh? Gan means group. The universe is a group of atoms and different energies. The Lord of all these groups of atoms and energies is Ganesha. He is the supreme consciousness that pervades all and brings order in the universe. What is the essence of Lord Ganesha? The essence of Ganesha is brought out beautifully by Adi Shankara. Though Ganesha is worshipped as the elephant-headed god, the form Swarup is judged to bring the formless Parambrahma Rupa. Ganesha is the same energy which is the reason for the universe. It is the energy from which everything manifests and into which everything will dissolve. What is the story behind Lord Ganesha's birth? We are all familiar with the story of how Ganesha became the elephant-headed god. As per Hindu mythology, Goddess Parvati became dirty when she was celebrating with Shiva. When she realized this, she removed the dirt from her body and created a boy out of it. She then asked him to keep guard while she bathed. When Lord Shiva returned, the boy didn't recognize him and obstructed his passage. So, Lord Shiva chopped off the boy's head and entered. Goddess Parvati was shocked when she saw this. She explained to Shiva that the boy was their son and pleaded with Shiva to save him at any cost. Then Lord Shiva instructed his helpers to go and get the head of someone who was sleeping with their head pointing to the north. The helpers then got the head of an elephant, and which Shiva affixed to the boy's torso, and Ganesha was born. So this was the story behind the Lord Ganesha's birth. Symbolism and significance of Ganesha. Ganesha's big belly represents generosity and total acceptance. Ganesha's upraised hand depicts protection. It means, "Fear not, I am with you." And his lowered hand, palm, facing outwards, which means endless giving as well as an invitation to bow down. This is also symbolic of the fact that we will all dissolve into earth one day. Ganesha also has a single tusk which signifies one-pointedness. Even the implements Ganesha wields are symbolic. He carries in his hand the Ankusha, signifying awakening, and the Pasa, signifying control. With awakening, a lot of energy is released, which without proper control can go haywire. Our ancient rishis were so deeply intelligent that they chose to express divinity in terms of symbols rather than words, since words change over time, but symbols that remain unchanged. Let us keep the deep symbolism in mind as we experience the omnipresent in the form of the elephant god, yet be fully aware that Ganesha is very much within us. This is the wisdom we should carry as we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. This Ganesh Chaturthi is a 10-day festival that takes place in late August or early September to celebrate Ganesha's birthday. There are a series of rituals performed, and on the 10th day, deity is immersed into the sea. There is a big procession that takes place with much jubilation, where the people come out in numbers carrying deities, sometimes as high as 30 feet to the sea. It was the story of Ganesh Chaturthi. I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching and visiting my channel.